So hello everyone. Currently, you can see I'm with my friends. Hi, how's it going?
It's going really great.
Thank you very much. So it's kind of like my elder sister I take. So we're in the same group and in the same environment, same shitting spot. So everyone is enjoying on it. I couldn't show everyone to this camera because my camera is pretty little, but small. So that's why. Okay. What?
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Yes, it's very good.
What's your name?
My name is Aryan Islam Okhur. There is
What?
so much sun.
I know.
Such
There
a
is so
warm day.
much sunlight. Such a warm day, but I'm not feeling any warmth to survive. I'm just feeling
There is no moisture,
cool.
but it's not humid, but it's so very dry and warm. Like the weather is very great and soothing as well. Like the environment is
Mm,
serene. Everything is
fit
great.
for everyone. Fit for everyone, but I actually don't like the spot. For sure, I don't like the spot because it's too boring. What do you think?
It's
Yes.
not boring. Like it has some natural serenity, natural
Uh,
tranquility. Like it is a mind soothing place. If you want to have some soothingness, some calmness in yourself, then it is a great spot to be honest.
And if anyone wants to see this is the Bengali Bali.
Bengali Bali. Sand.
Bengali sand.
It means sand.
Many people are practicing English and they're just saying, it's hard. Everyone is very good at English more than me. I think so.
This is a fruit.
This is a fruit. Yes.
This.
What this? Yes.
It's Bengali. It's Barai.
In Bengali, it's bore, but I couldn't remember it also. Because sometimes the vocabulary is very needed. What do you think?
Yeah, we all need to enrich our vocabulary. Like we need to enrich our word storage, right? Word storage means the storage of knowledge. It is a synonym for your intelligence.
I good. It's good, pretty good. And do you have any plan to visit abroad countries for your studies as well?
Like I'm very keen to traveling. I love traveling. So if it's about studies and traveling, it will be great. Like I'm very much interested in traveling spaces like historic places, like the Greek churches, um, the monarchies and all this. So if I get the chance to meet this in my study process, it will be great.
That's good, but I think that which university do you prefer in?
Everyone prefers like Ivy Leagues and stuff, so why would be I different? So I also prefer Ivy Leagues, especially if I say about Massachusetts or MIT. So I do prefer those stuff, but God knows what will happen.
Um, but which thing do you want to be in your future? What's your future plan?
Um,
Because now I think you're in grade 9 according to English medium school. Because in Bengali medium school it's class 10 and in English medium school it's grade 9.
no,
And
it's actually not class grade 9 in English medium school. It's actually grade
uh,
10 in English medium school as well. Cause I'm a SSC candidate of this year, so I'm having my board exams in 2 months. So I'm a grade 10th grade student in English medium standard as well.
good. But I mean, what do you want to be in future? You're so, it's
Like the
already.
first stage of the career building phase of my life.
That's
So
good.
if you wanna say about my career plans and all, I wanna be a architect, like the architect who studies about politics, the architect who studies about nature, like a analytic architecture. I don't wanna be like the practical stuff, but I really go on through the analytical stuffs and history, ancient politics, and nature. How we can combine all this. If you see the architecture, all that, it is revolving. It is not a static thing. We are growing. The human evolution is happening. So is architecture, right? It is a living thing to myself.
I
So
mean,
yeah.
you want to be artist, I think, because
Um.
your art is very
I also
good.
wanna be an architect.
Architect. Good.
Okay. Um. My art, yes, I really love to paint, and I don't know how much it is good or not, but I really love to paint, and I really enjoy doing that stuff. But if you say so, I love science as well. Like I'm a literally physics freak. I really do physics all day. I really do maths all day. I can't live without them. So why not?
Maths all day. Is that true? No.
Yes, I'm just a
It's
math
not
freak.
true. I swear.
It is true indeed. I do
if
maths more
anyone-
than my drawing, right?
If anyone want to be an architect, he needs a lot of maths, science. That's the true.
That's the truth. But you know what I want to be? A neuroscientist. Nothing more than architect, artist. I know I'm not good at drawing. When I see her doing
I'm
drawing,
not that good. She's just bragging about that. She's just exaggerating all the stuff.
no, it's true. Silently, I'm telling you that it's pretty true.
You should see my paintings, then you will know.
I know your paintings. Your paintings are very good, like an artist. And these all people are artists, except Gurjans. Here you could see many girls are hanging over there. Hi, what's your name?
Shadia.
Your name is Sajia. What class are you in?
I'm in 7.
7th standard, right? You?
3.
And at 3 standard. I'm also in 7th standard for sure. Starting my new academic year in 2025. So everyone is meeting this everyone here. But actually, my dress is not matching because it's pretty matching because everything is pink. I love pink. But they're in the production, so everyone is dressing like that. But we are in the same organization and we're working on it. Working on it. And see you later in the next video. Let's explore
And
more.
everyone should be an architect for maths and science. Thank you.
And for me, skip math for sure.
No, math's very important. Like every moment
Don't
you're doing
take maths in your life.
Like she's speaking, she's calculating all the words she's gonna say you. She won't say like random stuff. She's calculating the stuff, what she's gonna say, what she's gonna do, what will be her next step. All this math, right? You are doing math in this moment. Your breathing is a mathematical thing.
If
Your
you want to
breathing
be a
every moment, it
scientist,
is a mathematical
you
thing.
need math.
Your neurons,
Yes.
your
but
synapses, everything maths.
I know. For me, sure, I need math for my neuroscience career. Every doctor, every PhD people are suggesting math for my
Every
neuroscience.
driver also needs math.
I know, to be sure, I don't need to fight with them. Okay, so math is important. And second thought. Okay, see you later in the next video.
If
Tell
you
them to
don't like,
subscribe my
I'm gonna
channel.
be angry.
Tell them to subscribe. Hey,
Subscribe
tell
for
them to
her.
subscribe.
You should be subscribed, or I'm gonna be super angry.
Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.